provided some activities about acid bases and salt. Today we are here to represent how to identify an acid or an base using litmus paper. We have prepared here one dilute hydrochloric acid and one dilute sodium hydroxide. Now let us know how to identify if a solution is acid or base using litmus paper. To do so, first we will use red litmus paper and we will dip it in the beaker A. The color of the litmus paper does not change. It indicates that the solution in beaker A is an acidic solution, that is hydrochloric acid. Now we will dip the red litmus paper in beaker B. Color is changed. So it signifies that the solution in beaker B is a base, that is dilute sodium hydroxide. Now we will use the blue litmus paper. First we will dip the blue litmus paper in beaker A. Its color changes, signifying that the solution is acidic. Now we will dip the blue litmus paper in beaker B. Its color remains same.
When we add phenolphthalein to acid, it remains colorless. When we add phenolphthalein to base, it turns into pink. When we add methyl orange to base, it turns into yellow. When we add methyl orange to acid, it turns into pink.
Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. Now, by taking blue vitriol as an example, we are going to explain this experiment.
CuSO4 5H2O. It's blue in color. When we heat it strongly, then lose all the water of crystallization and form an anhydrous CuSO4. It's white in color. When water is added to anhydrous CuSO4, it gets hydrated and turns blue due to the formation of hydrated CuSO4.
Here we have beakers namely A, B and C. When we dip the pH paper in the beaker A, it turns to red, indicating the substance is acidic in nature. When we dip the pH paper in the beaker B, it turns to green, indicating the substance is neutral in nature. When we dip the pH paper in the beaker C, it turns to violet, indicating the substance is basic in nature.
When we add zinc granules to the solution of dilute sulfuric acid, the hydrogen gas is liberated as the metal reacts with acid. The liberated hydrogen gas is passed through delivery tube to the soap solution, which forms soap-filled hydrogen. When we take matchstick towards the bubble, the hydrogen gas burns with a pop sound, which shows that hydrogen gas is liberated. When metal carbonate reacts with the acid, it forms the salt and water with release of the carbon dioxide. When we pass the carbon dioxide to the lime water turns milky. When we add sodium carbonate to the dilute hydrochloric acid, the reaction takes place between the acid and metal carbonate, which forms salt and water along with the release of carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, the lime water turns milky.